Okay, I'm really hoping this video is turning out because it's through the glass. Okay, Zeus has a fascination for my birds. Well, look who showed up in my bird cage yesterday. It's this little lovebird, alright? And so we've been feeding it. Well, it's on my little lemon tree. And Zeus has spotted it. And Zeus desperately wants a friend. Now the other dogs, of which I have 1,000 puppies out there right now, are totally clueless. But Zeus sees that bird, and Zeus wants a playmate. I think that is absolutely hysterical. Zeus, I love you. You are such a riot. Can you see him? Go closer. It's okay, baby. It's okay. There you are. It's okay, Zeus. It's okay. We're going to get you a playmate. Okay? We're going to get you a playmate, dude. How cute is he? How cute is he? He wants that bird so bad he can taste it. Not that he's going to eat the bird, of course. No, because he's a good boy. He just absolutely knows that that bird is meant for him to play with. How funny is that? All right.